Do you know that there is an intelligence which is very important compared to your IQ in daily life situations, especially in relationship situations? Also, do you know what happened to the person who blushes a lot? What does it indicate about them? What type of friends do you need right now in your life? We will talk a lot of these things in this video, so make sure you should take a seat and watch this video till the end because you will know a lot of amazing facts that you have never heard before. So now let's start this video without wasting your time. Study found that most people who hug and blush have a lot very childlike heart and are very trustable people. Wealth is defined by the small things that we do in our daily life. For example, Muhammad Ali even said that if you are nice to me but rude to the waiter, that say everything about you. So how are you are behaving in these small things in life will say everything about you as well. Our mind spends 70% of its time daydreaming, creating scenarios, a perfect scenario that will never happen. So what you can do in these type of situations is try to focus on some external things. It could be reading a book, learning some skill, or maybe anything productive that will help you. Emotional intelligence is very important when it comes to relationship and social situations. Having emotional intelligence makes you well liked. People like you when you display empathy and remain cool with them. So it is very important. We may have heard a lot about IQ, but EQ, which is emotional quotient, is also very important. Next fact: sleep directly after studying and you will remember what you have learned better, because our subconscious mind tend to recall whatever we done just before our sleep. It is the best way to study just before you sleep, because now you will remember everything. What you think you become, what you feel you attract, what you imagine you create. This post is about the law of attraction, how you can attract the things you want in your life if you are practicing it in the right way. Attractive people are perceived as more intelligent, even if they are not. This is called the halo effect. Well, every book by its cover. So if you are attractive, they may also seem that you are intelligent. Alright, so it's better to improve your personality and focus on how you look because it matters. Toxic behaviors that push people away. They will talk about 4 such behaviors that you need to avoid, and otherwise people will go away from you. Number 1. Negativity. Stubborn refusing to see the positive side of light, always seeing negative in situations. Number 2. Victim mentality, believing that you are the victim of every bad thing that is happening in your life and constantly whining about it. It's not going to help you. Number 3. Oversensitivity, believing that everything that happens in life is a direct assault to you, or is someone or some way it's about you, but mostly it's not. 4. Cruelty. You are lacking empathy towards the other person or compassion towards the other, and no one likes a person who always spread negativity. So it's important to have empathy and compassion for others around you. Now moving on to the next fact. Do you know what is an ambivert is? An ambivert person who is a balance of extrovert and introverted feature in his or her personality. He can sometimes be very introverted and sometimes be very extroverted as well. Are you an ambivert? Write it down in the comments. Find 3 hobbies. 1 that can help you make a lot of money. 1 that can make you creative, while the other that can keep you in shape. It will make your health, your wealth, and your happiness in check. You can make money, you can be creative and happy, and you can keep in shape. People who help others often tend to be happier and less likely to be depressed as they grow older, because now their mind formed a habit of always seeing the positive side of things, and whenever they do some good task they feel happy. They have that dopamine effect, they have that hormone release. That's why it's you help other, you will also feel happy. Now Buddha defined happiness in a very simple way. Happy are those who take life day by day, complain very little, and are thankful for all the little things in their life. So in short, what he's talking about is being grateful. People tend to be happier when they go a lot in their work. For example, if they have some negative issues in their home and they want to avoid it, they can do a lot of work, but it's just a distraction, it's not a permanent solution. And make sure to focus on permanent solutions. The next fact, the human mind only completely trusts you once, and once someone break your trust or you break someone else's trust, it's over. It will never be the same, because trust is the most expensive thing in this world. Last fact, never express too much love or affection to someone, because it is human tendency to underestimate anything that is free of cost. And once it underestimate your love, it is going to be very hard for you to come out of it or something like that. So that's how it is. Today we have covered all the facts that we need to know. If you want to know more curious facts, more well read facts, make sure to subscribe to the channel, follow us on Instagram. Thank you very much.